Hi there, and welcome to the Wisdom of Whitehawk, where the collective consciousness known to us as Whitehawk offers a bridge to find purpose and meaning in your life, to follow your path wherever it takes you, with loving guidance. Alan Herring channels Whitehawk, and Gail expands on the teachings. Enjoy this episode.
We are having many conversations, but our main conversation is about inspiration. Inspiring yourself, inspiring one another, but also seeing the inspiration within everything that you do, be, have, and are part of. The important part about inspiration and finding that inspiration is acting upon it. Move towards inspired action. Some people act upon thought, but thought can be anything from the negative, from the darkness, to amazing fireworks of light and so on. But act upon inspired thought and move towards your most happy, dominant, blissful, loving, abundant self. How do you do that? You tell your own story. Questions are always asked about, how do I get away from the reality of the news or propaganda, gossip? You tell your own story. You are the star, you are the director, you are the producer of your own story. Not only that, you are the story. The story is you, and it is your story and how you want to feel. Find something to be inspired by and build your story around that.
Can you speak more about that? Find something to be inspired by.
A meaningful purpose. Initially, can be just a small project. It can be calling an old friend or a relative. Be inspired by doing that. To share your story, maybe. Being aware that sharing your story may not be beneficial to them, but it's all about you. And the greatest thing is your story. To build upon that, find something. And it's one step at a time, as it is always. Be inspired by your purpose, and the universe will answer. Will give you the tools and the wherewithal to move forward in an inspired way. And when you act upon inspired thought, that dissipates any fear and uncertainty, judgment even, and it's just pure thought, and it just unfolds. Those thoughts will keep coming like the waves in the ocean. They will keep coming, and they will build. They'll be more meaningful.
So what is pure thought?
Pure thought is the light to which you move towards and you move with, and it moves with you, and you're it. Pure thought is there's no fear, there's no judgment. It is just pure thought. It is blissful, it's love, it's guidance. It comes from the heart, not from the head.
So we know it's pure thought by how it feels?
Feeling is, yes, not thinking. It is how you feel, pure and simple. And as soon as there's a question or doubt or uncertainty, it's not pure. It hasn't been part of that inspirational thought process.
We hope you enjoyed this episode. If you'd like to know more about the wisdom of Whitehawk, you can go to www.wisdomofwhitehawk.com. Thanks for joining us.